can't have a cat in the house. Yeah.
Yeah, I even touched it.
So, who carries a chameleon in a suitcase? Oh, look at that.
It changed color.
Yes.
But
Okay.
that's the same color.
Oh, yeah. Okay. See? So, these are just some of the animals that are... Oh, even this one.
Is that again?
Oh, yeah. The truly wild pet shop. Oh, my God. You want to get a lion for a pet?
No.
Maybe it's a baby. It's still okay.
No,
But-
that's big.
Yeah, it's big. The more... The
And
moment it grows up.
They will scratch the chairs and the curtain.
The curtain. Yeah, the curtain, the windows, and
Yeah.
your doors, and... Oh, my.
And
Where will
the-
you sleep already?
And the TV.
Oh, yeah. But
And the rug.
every furniture that you have here in
And
the
the
house.
And the shark.
Okay. Look, these are the elephant tusks I was telling you yesterday. You see the poachers, the hunters. Wow. Oh my God. See what's saying here that the president of a country, you know what he did last time? Just to discourage those hunters. So he was able. These people, right? They're killing these animals secretly, so that when the authorities saw it, oh, the elephant is already dead, or the elephant has no more tusks. So you know what he did? Once he saw that there was a truckloads of tusks, the tusks have been taken away from the hunters, from the poachers.
And
But you know,
the lion was hiding.
the president ordered them to be burnt
Why?
because they're saying to the world that buying and selling ivory, see that what the material of these tusks are.
There's a little
it's
Z.
wrong. Yeah. So it was their hope that so that they can tell the other countries to stop the trade, the buying and selling of elephant tusks. Yeah. Okay. What about this one? There are what
The
we call.
tiger is hiding.
It was trying to paint itself. Why would leopards rather not be spotted? Why? Some people like to wear coats made of beautiful spotted leopard skins.
They will get their feathers and the tiger will get cold.
Feathers? They're fur.
Fur.
Yeah, they're fur.
And they
Yes.
will get cold.
Yeah. Other hunt big cats because they find it an exciting sport. Oh my God! So they want it. They want to see. They want to see the leopards being killed. Okay. Yeah, especially when they say it's when they say there's a game. When you were in Ilocos, what happened?
When we were eating now,
When you were eating what?
we were eating sheep.
Really?
Yeah, and they killed it.
Really? Was it a sheep or a goat? Maybe a
Goat.
goat.
It's a goat. Kasi walang ship dito sa Pilipinas.
Meron din.
Meron.
We have naman.
We have
yeah.
And
Sa
they
bandang
killed
sa
it.
bandang Pangasinan, I saw
And they
it.
killed it.
They killed the goat and you ate it? Wow, was it
It's yummy.
Oh, wow. What's a good recipe for a goat ba?
Kaldereta, tapos yung kinilaw.
Oh,
Masarap yung kinilaw.
Pero they say that if it's kinilaw,
Yung may pinapaitan.
dapat ano daw,
Saka
dapat yung
pinampalo.
medyo young pa yung kambing.
Sinampalukan na, masarap din.
Okay.
Naramanak di dyan na yung kinilaw nga ba papait na masarap.
Talaga? Pwede ba yun? Kinilaw na may papait?
Masarap.
I wanna try that. Okay. Alright, come on. Let's continue. Okay. You know, in India now, okay, many tigers live in national parks because for them, it's better to have them in reserves or in national parks because they are very safe there and they are away from the hunters. Subway, yeah, subway, yes. But you know, in India, there is a corridor. You know what this corridor is? It is a strip of forest linking two parks. So that means tigers can still find their mate. Okay, look at this. Look, can you see the stripes? Look, the leopard a while ago. Okay, what's the difference? Look at it. See? Is it a stripe?
No.
No, it's not. So these are no. This one is a leopard. It has some spots. Yeah.
And
But this one it has.
tiger.
It's linear. There are lines, right? These are stripes.
That's what you're
Yes.
doing.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the. Okay. Turn it off first. Turn it off. Turn it off already.
Okay, papers.
Ang bait-bait nga ni Baby Loves. Buti na lang, hindi umiyak. At least nakapagluto ngayon.
I know. Did he have a fever pa last night?
Last night man, hindi, wala naman na. Buti na lang.
Don't close it.
You have to close it na.
Don't close it.
Okay, babay na.
Ay, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Don't close it.
Later na lang, later ulit.
Bye-bye.
Ulit-ulit kasi masyado nang mahaba.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.